Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigiTwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on Dock Magnification on Mac. So, Dock Magnification is a feature that temporarily enlarges dock icons as you move your cursor over them. This makes it easier to identify and click apps, especially if you prefer to keep your dock smaller or save screen space. The icon returns to their normal size as soon as you move your cursor away. So it gives you a better visibility without permanently making the dock larger. So if you also want to turn on dock magnification, here's what you need to do. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And now in Dock section, you can see a magnification slider. If that slider is turned off, move that magnification slider to right to choose how much the icons should enlarge when you hover over them, as you can see here. And if I move the toggle all the way to large, you can see it will magnify the icons more. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.